Wanted to be a teacher when I was in the 12th grade. I had a very supportive teacher who is actually the reason why I decided to go to college. I actually graduated from Southwest Public Schools. I decided to teach here at the International Leadership Academy because when I interviewed, the whole thing just feels like a family. I'm very supported by my administrators, just like I was when I was a student here. And I love it here.
Well, yes, I've been in the district for about 17 years now. This is my year number 17. I'm so thankful for the opportunity to have had from this district, from the very moment that you start as a pre-K teacher until now as an administrator for this school. I mean, on every step, I have received a lot of support and guidance on how to, take care of how to develop my skills on every single position. And this is the only place that's I've been working at since I came to this country is this school district.
I started here at Southwest Public School as a teacher for the Finnish school, a special education teacher. And I appreciate and love my journey here at Southwest Public School. It helps me grow professionally. The work is aligned to my why I want to do the work that I do. The students here are the same students. I can see myself in them. Serving here, I feel like I'm serving my community, the people who are just like me. Their journey is my journey.
I started off here 12 years ago as a level 1 technician. I was looking to get my foot into the IT career, to the IT industry. I really appreciate, all the opportunity that the school's giving me, and that the people in the district believe in me. And so that makes me feel real special, and makes me feel like I can do the work.
I started June of 2010 as a clerk. And my first day was chaos because I didn't know exactly what I was doing, how I was going to get the job done, but I knew that I had support and I was going to get to where I needed to be. There was a point in my journey with Southwest Schools where I wanted a position and I was told that I didn't have the degree in order to obtain that position. So what I did was I got my bachelor's degree, I got my master's degree, and I just continued my educational journey with certificates, certifications, and different things because I want to make sure that there's nothing that's going to ever hinder me from being successful.
I started out as an intern in December of 2017. I was a senior at the University of Houston, and my major was human resources management. And I remember vividly at the time, I was very stressed because I really needed an internship. And I was able to gain an internship as a HR intern. Throughout my journey, I think the biggest support that I've received, aside from my family and loved ones, are my fellow staff at Southwest Public Schools. Not only through the constant check-ins and just seeing how I'm doing, but also from just me witnessing their growth as well.
As a superintendent of Southwest Public Schools, we are intentional about developing the talent that we recruit in the door. It is evident that every single individual that we hire, we spend time with them, we grow them to higher heights here at Southwest Public Schools.